Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove background from a photo for free. So let's get right into it. Here on my desktop, I have this stunning image of an eagle for which I want to remove the background. To start the process, I will open a web browser and head over to remove.bg website. Once on the home page, you will be able to see a button labeled Upload Image. I will click on it to select the image saved on my desktop and hit Open. And in just about 5 seconds, the background from our image is gone. Once you're happy with how it looks, you can download the image by clicking on the Download button. Now let's open the image and check out the results. As you can see, the eagle now stands out with clarity. No background, no distractions. Ready to be used in any project or presentation. And that's it. That's how you remove the background from an image in just a few seconds. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.